how to allow microphone and camera access to your Facebook and Messenger. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can uh, allow access of your microphone and camera for your Facebook and Messenger. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, tap on the three dots on the top right of your web browser, whichever web browser you use for Facebook and Messenger. Then scroll down a bit until you see the settings option. After you see the settings option, tap on it, and it should take you to your settings of your browser. After you're here, you can see different options. Head over to privacy and security on the left sidebar here. And after you're here, you can find different options. You will need to head over to site control or site settings. And right here, you will find permissions. So under permissions, you'll find camera and microphone. Head over to camera first. And here under default behavior, make sure that you have enabled sites can ask you to use your camera. And after that, if you see not allowed to use camera option, and if you see Facebook here, simply delete that. And there you can see allowed to use camera option. And if you see Facebook there, it's completely fine. After that, head back. Let me go to site settings again. Now head over to microphone and do the same. Change this to sites can ask to use your microphone. And again, if you see under not allowed to use, if you see Facebook or Messenger, delete those. And if you see it under here, it's completely fine. After that, you will be able to just open up your Facebook or Messenger and start a call. And you'll get a pop-up with asking permission to use your microphone and camera, which you can press allow and you're good to go. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.